kidding me? Hi everyone, Chef Stuart here. All right, today we are making a seared sesame tuna steak. I'm gonna make this beautiful cilantro basil relish with it, paired with a nice little simple salad. So here we go, let's get to it. Okay, so we got an ahi tuna steak here. I'm just gonna drizzle a bit of sesame oil on this. And I'm just gonna toss it around in this oil. So I got some white sesame seeds right here. And to that, I'm just gonna add some black sesame seeds. Just give that a little kind of stir around with your hands. Beautiful. Now, all we're gonna do is we're gonna place the tuna steak in the sesame seeds. Really easy like that. We have a nice crust going on here, and you can do every side of it. And this is just gonna give it a nice nutty flavor. And that's it, we're done with the tuna steak. In this bowl, I have 1 shallot minced up. And to that, we're gonna add 1 clove of garlic. And this is gonna be our dressing for the steak and also for the dressing for the salad. I'm gonna hit that with some chili flakes and now our herbs. So I got some cilantro. Just gonna chop some of that up, about a half a cup. Right in. We got some parsley, about a tablespoon chopped. And finally, we got some basil for some nice freshness there. I'm gonna add some sesame oil to this, few tablespoons here, some rice wine vinegar. Gonna hit it with some salt, some pepper. We're just gonna give it a nice stir. This has so much flavor to it. And we'll go for the little taste. Delicious. Now we're gonna head over to the pan and we're gonna cook that tuna steak. We'll dress our salad and it'll all come together. It's as easy as that, guys, I swear to God. Okay, we're gonna get our pan nice and hot. Non-stick pan here is good for this. To the pan, we're gonna add a teaspoon of sesame oil and we're just gonna get that nice and hot. Now when we're cooking the tuna steak, guys, this only takes about 30 seconds on each side. We just want a nice sear on there because we wanted that color in the center when we slice through it. You'll see in a bit. All right, you set your timer, 30 seconds each side, that's it. And as you can see, as you cook it, see the sesame seeds are beginning to toast. That will really bring out a nice nuttiness in this dish. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on its side and hold it there. On the other side. All right, and we are done. Now we're gonna slice through our tuna steak. Just like, have a nice sharp knife for this. And you can see the center, that's absolutely beautiful. You want to get that nice sear on it. Beautiful, you see that in there? So you have a nice little simple sear, only 30 seconds each side, and you get that. All right, so I got a few mixed greens here. And what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take a nice teaspoon and I'm just gonna toss that around. All right, so we did the dressing, we got the greens tossed with our dressing, and we have our tuna steak, and that's it. Let's put it together. All right, and there it is. Guys, under 10 minutes, we came up with like a beautiful lunch or dinner any night of the week, any day of the week. And I'm just gonna go in for the taste. Get some salad. Are you kidding me? There's a nuttiness, there's a nice little spice from that dressing. It's just this beautiful pan-seared tuna that you will be making every day. I promise. Save this recipe. I'll see you all soon. And if you want this recipe and any more, head over to tastybites.net. They're all there. Bye, guys.